Have you ever thought about teaching English or any other subject online, but you're not sure where to start? Or maybe you have already been hired, but you're wondering, what's next? How do I actually succeed once I've got the job? I've got something special for you. I'm hosting a free live workshop on Zoom. Yes, absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime. That will take you step by step through getting hired as an online teacher and what to do after you actually land the job so that you can thrive and not just survive. Hi, if you haven't come across my channel before, my name is Kathy and I help teachers just like you transition into the online teaching world. I'm a stay-at-home grandma who learned how to build an income online, and if I can do it, so can you. And I've been doing this since 2019, and I've built up a great reputation for myself in the online teaching space, and I have a lot of students. When I first started teaching online, though, I was completely overwhelmed. There were so many platforms, so many requirements, and honestly, I just didn't know where to start, where to begin. I applied to jobs and I didn't hear anything back. And when I finally did get hired, I had absolutely no clue what to expect. Actually, on the first day, I thought, okay, this is it. I'm never going to do this again. That's why I've created this free workshop to help you skip the confusion and avoid the mistakes that I made and start going strong. Let's have a look at what's going to be inside. On day one is getting started and getting hired. The top teaching platforms in 2025, which I'm going to be going through, and which ones are still hiring right now. The three things recruiters look for in a teacher's profile: common mistakes applicants make that get their applications rejected, and how to prepare for interviews, including questions you're likely to be asked. And in day two, we're going to go on to what to do once you have been hired, how to navigate your first week, and how to set up your schedule without any stress. Classroom tools that you need, like free and paid options that you might get, how to keep students engaged, and even if it's your very first time teaching online, tips to increase your pay, grow your bookings, and stand out from all the other teachers. There's so many teachers out there, and what you have to do is really stand out and make a difference so people notice you. And of course, there's going to be a live Q&A on both days and a great special announcement. So you can ask me any of your specific questions and get feedback in real time. Okay, so who is this for? This is designed for teachers who want to start teaching online, but just don't know where to begin. Teachers who have already been hired, but feel lost about what happens next. And even teachers who have got a bit of experience, but want to learn how to grow and how to earn more money. Okay, so when I first got hired, I thought that students would just show up and everything would just fall into place. But I was so wrong. And I quickly realized that online teaching is a skill in itself. It's not a hobby. One simple tip is always over prepare your first few classes. Have an extra activity ready, a backup plan if your tech fails, and a way to build rapport right from the start. That one strategy alone can already take away a lot of stress in your first week, believe me. And in the workshop, I'm going to share some more of these inside tips that I have learned the hard way. So you don't have to learn it the hard way. And the best part is it's absolutely, completely free. But I'm keeping it small so that everyone has a chance to ask questions, which means that spots are limited. All you need to do is click the registration link in the description below and then sign up, and I'll send you the Zoom link straight to your inbox. Don't put this off. If teaching online has been on your mind, this is your chance to finally take action and start your journey with some confidence. So, whether you are brand new and you want to land your first online teaching job, or you're already hired but you're not sure what to do next, this free 2-day workshop will guide you and give you the tools, the confidence, and the community to help move you forward. Okay, so don't forget to either comment in the comment box or click the link to register now, and I'll see you live on Zoom. I can't wait to help you take the next step in your teaching journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to do this alone. I'll be there, right there to guide you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and then you know that you're going to get told every time a new video comes along. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the workshop. Have a good day.